your belief should be like actually a mountain, strong, Aqeedah. What is it basically? It is teaching you, first thing, connecting to Allah, at the same time disconnecting to the false God. Meaning, false God, what false God? It can be yourself, meaning the one who you hold to the highest priority, and you are unconditionally, you obey, and you think this is the ultimate aim of your life. That's your God, that you have made a false God for yourself. So 𝐒𝐟𝐟ْaita مَنِ اتَّخَذَ إِلَهَهُ هَوَى. Many people end up making themselves their own desire, their own nafs, actually their God. So connecting to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Aqeedah's first thing is connecting to Allah and disconnecting to the nafs and the other thing, making other things the purpose of your life.